Hey guys, Blumen here, and today we're having, tonight, I should say tonight because it's around 8, but we're having a blizzard, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. So yeah, that is what it looks like. It's pretty dark and cold, so yeah, that's all I wanted to say for this little video. As you guys can tell, I have my lovely little Clifford right here, my awesome buddy. And by the way, Nayu, let me hope not to drop this. Let's pause it actually. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. I found Fluffy. She was over on the floor, and I forgot to pack her along with the butthole kitty, the bedtime cat. No, it likes me. And she just fell. But so yeah, I found them. I don't know if there's any more that I forgot to pack because I probably have them with the other ones. But so yeah. Please like, subscribe, press the notifications button if you want notifications from my channel. And bye-bye, guys.